Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a pantry organization video. It's not the worst I've ever seen, but it had gotten a little out of control from when I had previously organized it. It was getting to the point where my husband and I would buy duplicate items because I couldn't really see what we had. So I decided just to take everything out and completely redo the pantry. So as you can see, everything that's in there now, other than a few of the paper products, I pretty much put on the island and on the countertops and just everywhere to get it out of the space. I felt like that would make it easier for me to kind of figure out where I wanted to place things and figure out where they needed to go and how we use them. So this is pretty much a blank slate. I'm just vacuuming some of the crumbs and things off the floor and just trying to get everything ready to go. Eventually, I would love to get some wood shelves and completely make over the pantry with maybe like a rug and a cute pantry sign and maybe a shiplap wall. I don't know. I would love to do it up. But right now, my main concern is just getting it tidy, getting it organized, and being able to see what we have and having the things that we reach for most often, readily available. So here we had a lot of scuffs and things on the walls, specifically in this area from just taking things in and out, I guess. I'm not really sure, but I'm just taking my magic eraser and going over all those areas before I start putting things back in. I will say the magic eraser is one of my favorite products to use for getting anything off of walls. It really is magic. I absolutely love it. And now that that's done, I decided I wanted to put paper towels and napkins on the top shelf, kind of out of the way, because it was taking up one of the shelves that was a little bit easier to access. So that's what I'm doing right here, is just taking them out of the wrappers because I think it looks cleaner and neater, and putting them on top. And then I decided to keep paper products kind of together, so I'm putting the napkins here. And these are some containers that I actually got from Marshall's. I purchased them for the linen closets and the utility closet in my laundry room, but then decided they would work really well for the pantry. So I'm trying to get the stickers off now, and boy, was that a task. I don't know why they make it so hard to get stickers off. I was having to use all kinds of things, so I skipped over a lot of that, but that's what I'm doing now, is just getting the stickers off so I can start using them. And then I'm just going to time lapse me putting things back in the pantry because I'm trying to figure it out as I go. So it wasn't the smoothest process, but that's what I'm doing right now. And throughout this process, I'm just trying to consolidate things, get rid of any packaging that I can, and throw away anything that's expired. And I'm also leaving out items that would be better served in different areas and not taking up space in the pantry. There you got a quick glimpse of my hubby taking out the recycling for me. So this, I'm just showing you the finished product. In just a minute, I will do an actual tour and tell you where I got certain things from. But I'm very happy with how it turned out. I think it's a lot neater and cleaner, and I can actually find things now, which is awesome. Okay guys, we're all finished, so I'm just going to give you a little tour. So starting on the left hand side, here I've just got back stock of paper towels and napkins in that back corner, and then right below I've got paper plates and napkins, and here we've just got some extra plasticware and straws and things like that, and then in that back right corner some styrofoam plates. And then below that, I've got I think they call these like a shelf riser, I'm not sure, but it's what I've got our condiments on, and basically a bread basket here to keep those together. And then in the back, just some extra things, some flatbread crisps, breadcrumbs, and things like that. And then on the next shelf below, I've got just some little organizer trays with extra tortillas and taco seasoning, ranch dressing, and some extra condiments. And then this is what I call my little dessert basket. We've got just some little cakes and things like that in there. And then down here I've got my fruit bowl. I actually got that from Costco years ago. This tray is a gift from one of my husband's coworkers that's sitting on. And then down here I've got extra trash bags and some shopping bags. And then in this back corner, this is actually a bag from Costco. It's called Keep Cool, and if you're going to be shopping and you're going to be out for a while, that thing is excellent at keeping things cold. And then below that, it's just a couple of my husband's grilling items. And then going back up, I've got some placemats kind of tucked away right here, and then plastic cups and chips. I can't really figure out the chip organization yet, but that's where they are for now. And then I've got some chip clips here and our cereal there. We usually have one of each. And then the next shelf is just some random cornmeal right there. And then I've got my coffee items, pods for the Keurig, some sugar, my husband likes that, some tea from Tivana. And then we actually got this coffee from Costco, and it's really good, but we keep them in these bags to keep them fresh. So that whole basket is coffee. And then hot chocolate. We like to make mochas, so we put hot chocolate in our mug, and then we'll run one of these or one of the pods through the Keurig, and it's delicious. And then here we've got some breakfast items, just some syrup and some oatmeal, things like that. And then on this row, as you can tell, my husband and I have a sweet tooth, so we don't eat a lot at a time, which is good, but we do keep a very healthy stash of candy. So basically everything chocolate is in this one, everything not chocolate is in this one. We even still have a candy cane from Christmas, and my husband's jelly beans there. I don't eat those too often. And then these jars I love. We actually got these from Costco as well. We are avid Costco shoppers, so a lot came from there. So we've got flour, sugar, brown sugar, and these are some like sugar crystals that we got from Tivana that we can use in coffee and tea. And then on this aisle, I'm sorry, this shelf, I'm thinking about being in the store. We've got some extra oil. We got the big 2-pack here from Costco. Oil here, coconut oil, and some vinegar. And then this is kind of just a snack. Some sardines, some popcorn, some little protein bar type things. And then this is all of our foil and Ziploc bags. That's kind of our station for that. My husband's the chef in the house, so he's got disposable gloves back there. And then down here, we actually keep kind of like a little mail station in here just because when bills come in or if we're going to be writing something, we use our island a lot. So it actually worked out better to have this in the pantry than it did in our office. And then these are our lunch bags for when we go to work, crock pot, water. And then there's like a cooler bag back there. And then over here, I have this plastic bag holder caddy type thing that I got from Marshall's, which really comes in handy. And then we just keep this bin down here for recycling. And we've got a couple of fire extinguishers back there. And then on this side, I've got my e-cloth spray mop because I use it in this area a lot. And then a step stool in case I need to get something on top. And then that's just some extra water that I need to put in here that we got from Costco. So I think that's about it. These bins I was going to mention I got from Home Goods. And then all of the clear ones that I mentioned before I got from Marshall's. And I actually got them with the intention of using them for a laundry room. I have a utility closet in my laundry room. Or like our linen closets, using that for organization for those, but they really came in handy here, so I'm actually going to hopefully get a lot more if Marshall still has them at the time that we're able to go back out shopping again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and if you have any questions about anything else, just let me know. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I will be posting new videos every single week, and please leave me a comment below. If you don't really like to comment, your favorite emoji will suffice. I greatly appreciate it. And you guys have a wonderful day. Take care of yourselves. Bye.